Hi guys, welcome back to another video on the Tech channel. In this new video, I'll be showing you how you can use a custom font on CapCut for PC. Now the first step is to come to your browser and download the custom font of your choice. Now for the sake of the video, I'm going to be using the DaFont website. So as an example, we're going to be downloading the Silver Melody font. So just come to download right here. Alright, so once the font has been downloaded, click to open file, click on this option that says Silver Melody, and you should see install right here. So just go ahead and click on that, allow the font to install, and once it's installed, come to your taskbar right here, right click on it, click on Task Manager, and then click on Processes, come to the search bar and search for Windows Explorer, this option right here, and then right click on it and click on Restart. So that way we have successfully restarted our Windows without necessarily having to restart. So this is to enable the font to register on our system so that it can be visible on CapCut. So the next thing is to completely close CapCut and then relaunch it. Alright, so go ahead and open your video where you'd like to use the custom font. Alright, so the first step would be to add a text and then click on default text, then input your text and the text box right here, and then come under font, click on the drop down. Alright, so you can drag this down a little bit, and once it's around here, just look out for system font. Alright, so you have system font here, so you're going to look under system font for this new font. The name of the font is Silver Melody, so just go ahead to S. Alright, so you can see our custom font right here, Silver Melody. So just go ahead and have that selected, and it's going to be added to your CapCut video. So that's how to go about adding a custom font on CapCut. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.